NTI is Australia's #1 specialist insurer for trucks, big and small. Mobile plant and equipment, marine, cargo and parcels, plus roadside assistance. Our vision to keep Australian industry moving towards a safer and more sustainable future is stronger than ever. For almost 50 years, Australian businesses and families have counted on us for our specialist products, expert knowledge, repair networks, and superior claims service. Yes, insurance is a promise, but it's not until you really need us that you understand our point of difference, the NTI difference, because we know what it sounds like to keep Australia moving.